Lidpack 3800 and 3801L is used for sealing marine hatches on all oil and chemical carrying ships.
Typically, our Lidpack product covers off mainly the marine sector, and it's usually crude oil carriers, chemical tankers.
These are designed to make sure there's no water ingress into the hatch and make sure no gases and liquids escape. Lidpack has a central core of EPDM with a PTFE wrap around that core, built up with a cotton packing and an outer covering of polypropylene yarn to create a nice dense weave, so it's got nice firmability about it when it's placed into the hatch.
We ensure that we've got continuous good quality product to the customer by verifying every single time that our materials come in, so do they conform to what we actually have on our specification. Our materials and technology that we use within this Lidpack product have been tried, tested and proven for many, many years.
And one of the main offerings that we provide here at Beldam Crossley is the value of our products. And what I mean by value is not just the product itself, but it's everything that goes with it. The 150 years experience producing these products, working in various different sectors, supplying into different industries right the way through, as well as our UK-based team.
The one thing we do better than everybody else is the hatches don't leak with Beldam Crossley seals.